In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal on TEMU. Whether you're shopping online frequently or just sporadically, knowing how to use PayPal on different websites can streamline your purchasing process, enhance your security, and offer additional payment flexibility. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll need to open up your favorite web browser and head over to the TEMU website. Make sure you're visiting the correct site so you're not led astray by any lookalikes. Once on TEMU's homepage, you're going to want to look for the Sign In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that to proceed. Next, you'll need to sign into your account. If you already have an account, simply input your credentials, your email, and password, and then you're logged in. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. It's a quick process. Now that you're signed in, you can start shopping. Go ahead and browse the site, adding the products you wish to buy to your cart. Once you've added all the items you're interested in, it's time to move to the next stage. Look towards the top right or sometimes on the right side of your screen to find the cart icon and click on Go to Cart. After confirming that everything you want is in the cart, click on the Checkout button to proceed with your order. Before finalizing anything, it's crucial to double check your shipping address. If you haven't set it up yet, now is the time to do so. Ensuring your shipping details are correct will help avoid any delivery mishaps. As you scroll down the checkout page, you'll find the different payment methods available. Here, you want to select PayPal. PayPal not only enhances security by acting as a buffer between your bank and the merchant, but also streamlines transactions given its automatic currency conversion feature. After choosing PayPal, click on Submit Order. This action will redirect you to the PayPal login page, where you'll need to provide your PayPal credentials, your email, and password. Once you successfully log into PayPal, you'll be redirected back to TEMU's checkout page, where you'll find a confirmation of your payment method. Finally, with everything set and your PayPal account linked, go ahead and click Submit Order once more to complete your purchase. And there you have it. You've now made a purchase on TEMU using PayPal. This process not only makes shopping easier, but also offers an additional layer of financial security. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has taken any guesswork out of using PayPal on TEMU. Have a great shopping experience.